Okay, today we're gonna talk a little bit about blowing torches. I have a few of these. This is some of them. I actually use them pretty much. They are pretty simple and actually quite efficient too. Here I have some different models. Here is a small one. There's a bigger one. This one I use for my sawmill at my 35 horse Bayer crude oil engine. I need to heat it up with this one around 15 minutes before I can start it. This is just a giant bolt, a nut, M65. It has nothing to do with this, so we can throw that away. This is engine starting lamps. Maybe you have seen those in my films. The one to the left is a Primus 702 and the one to the right is a Primus 703, I think, but it's a 702 base with a 703 burner, so it's a little bit bigger. And in the middle it's a double piped Primus blowing torch. That one is made for my BM20, that stands for Bolinder Munktel 20 tractor. That one has a 2-cylinder hot bulb engine, and with this blowing torch you can heat them up both at the same time. So it's pretty neat. I will start with this. The vertical standing Primus 702. This is a cover because these lamps are quite sensitive for wind. So if you use them outside, you won't have one. The way it works is that you have kerosene in here. You have this little valve open, so there's no pressure in the tank right now. Then you preheat this. You fill this little bowl up here with some alcohol, mostly because alcohol burns so easy. And then you just lit that on fire. And leave it like that for a couple of minutes. I'm gonna show you what happens now when we preheat it. So this is a burner, like one that is sitting here right now. We can remove this. This is just to get the shape of the flame to be right up, but the burner is the same. So when this is heated up, you start to pumping, so you get pressure in this tank, and then the kerosene will go up here, up in those, and these will be very hot, so it's evaporating and go down, and in this little nozzle it will spray out as a gas and make a very blue, very hot flame. So that's practically how it works. So we can put that one back. I'm gonna leave this off because it's easier to see how it works. I'm gonna put the extra burner here. Yeah, so now I'm gonna try close this valve and start pumping. And just like that, you have a beautiful blue flame. Put cover on. See how it looks. And if you were to start the engine right now, you would grab this in the handle and just place it here, open the little lid and have that flame going in. Keep that bulb up in there for around 15 minutes and then you can start the engine. So that's about it. Right there, and to shut this off you just open this valve, because when you do that the pressure inside the tank drops. And the kerosene will not be pushed up to the burner and the blowtorch will go out. We're going to start by pumping some pressure up in the tank. When we have done that, we open this valve just a little. We can hide this. Okay, so now it should be hot. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make sure it's pressurized in the tank. Then I just open this nozzle to the main burner. Burns very hot. I'm going to see if it can make this hose grab by as well. And that's how to shut it off. So that's about it. This twin piped one works the same way as this one. Yeah, so that's the way those works. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel, that will help me a lot, and like the video if you like it, and so on. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you.